Hey guys, welcome to a quick behind the scenes tour of the All Things Secure YouTube studio here in Thailand. My name's Josh and this is generally what I'm looking at whenever I'm recording a video that you see here on this channel. I've got my live setup here, this ATEM Mini that I use for live videos that I'm going to be doing a lot more of this coming year. I got my teleprompter. I don't know if you knew that most of the videos on this channel are scripted. I do that so that I can research them and hopefully provide the most value possible as I'm delivering the videos. My editing bay, some new lighting, some microphones, all that great stuff. Obviously, as I record this video, I am here in Thailand, but as you're watching this video, I'll be back in the United States to celebrate Thanksgiving with my family. I am super excited to be going back, not just because Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, but also because I haven't been back to see my family back in the States for over 2 years thanks to COVID. That also means that my 2 sons who are under the age of 10 haven't seen their grandparents or their aunt in that amount of time either, so I'm really excited for them to be able to see family and to celebrate this holiday with them. So if you're a United States citizen or a resident or you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you have a wonderful time with your family and friends, and even if you aren't a US citizen, I hope that you and your family are doing well, that you're safe and healthy. And I really wanted to take a moment to just say thank you. Thank you so much for being a part of this community, for watching the videos, for commenting, for emailing me back. All that stuff has been incredibly encouraging, not only because it's an engagement between me and you, but also because there's just been unbelievable growth on this channel over the past year. We started this year off with less than 30,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? In less than a week, we're gonna cross over that 100,000 subscriber mark. That just blows my mind. And we've had over 4 million views during that span of time as well. Obviously, privacy and security is a subject matter and a topic that's just becoming more and more important for people as they realize that it's not becoming easier to stay private. It's not becoming easier to secure your stuff. It's actually becoming harder. And so that's what I'm hoping as I'm planning out the content for the next year, for 2022, hoping to be able to make that even more accessible for more people to create stronger security and privacy. And here's where you can really help with that, because a lot of the content that I create comes from comments and emails that I receive from you. So if you can just take a moment right now in the description, or excuse me, in the comments of this video, and let me know what are the things that worry you right now? What are the questions that you're having, or what are the frustrations that you're running up against in relation to your privacy and security online? Because those are the things that are really going to help me create content for the future. I may not be able to answer all the questions or address every single one of these things, at least in the comments of this video for sure, but it will definitely help direct the future of this channel as we head into 2022. So thank you so much for the time that you spend doing that, for your feedback, for your suggestions, because that is incredibly helpful for me. And I'm grateful for you. Like I said, have a wonderful holiday season, not just Thanksgiving, but Christmas as well. And I will see you in the next All Things Secured video.